Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this 10-minute yoga practice for flexibility. We're going to target the total body in this short practice. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and when you're ready to go deeper with me into the yoga practice, check out my online channel, Omstars. I'd love to see you there. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. We'll bring the hands together, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. First, let's get started with the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Let's drop the head over to one side and drop the shoulder down. Use your opposite hand to give a little bit of weight. And stay there, and we'll breathe for 1. Nice and easy. 2, 3, 4, almost there, and 5. Let's switch the sides. Let's come on over to the other side, moving the head away from the shoulder, and then give a little extra with the hand. Find the spot that best releases whatever residual tension might be present in your head, neck, and shoulder region. We'll stay for 3 more breaths. Very good. 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. That's good. Let's come on back into the center. And then we'll come back on to the hands and knees. Let's get started on the hands and knees. Curl the spine. Let's roll through cat and cow. Inhale, extend. Big breath in. Exhale, round and under. Inhale, extend. Big breath in. Exhale, round. Draw it under. 1 more. Inhale, extend. Big breath in. Exhale, it's round. Draw it under. Curl the toes under. Let's inhale up to downward facing dog. Working the beginning of our forward fold. Let's stay for 5 breaths. We have 1, 2, steady, deep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Let's walk half the distance in. Let's do a hanging forward bend. Let's bend the knees, lay your arms over each other, and then straighten the legs. Release, and we'll stay for 5 breaths released. 1, just hang down. 2, keep it easy. 3, 4, almost there. 5, and lightly take the hands forward. Let's inhale again, find your downward facing dog. From the downward facing dog, let's switch the gaze forward and inhale. Step the right foot forward, coming up onto your fingertips, and exhale, sink the left knee down. Keeping the left knee down, let's take the left hand down and inhale, open twist. Breathing 1, 2, 3. If it feels good for you, you can sink a little bit more down. Once you're sinking down, you may even look behind you, bending the left leg, reach back and lightly kick and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, we can stay there and bend a little bit in. Good. Feel the quadricep lengthening. 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Let it release. Swing it back forward. Stabilize through the palms. Inhale up to downward facing dog. Switching the gaze forward. Inhale, step that left foot forward. Exhale, right knee down. Point. the right foot, and inhale, open twist. We can reach up, 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 reaching, 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 and then exhale, lightly sink down. Once we feel stable, then we can bend the knee, reach back, hold. 1, 2, working both the hips and the twist in this. 3, drawing the navel in. 4, and 5. Then exhale, fold, bring it forward, and stay. 1, 2, release through the quadricep and the front of the right hip. 3, 4, almost there. 5, let it release, stabilize through the hands, and inhale up to downward facing dog. Very good. Deep breathing, keeping the mind calm. Switching the gaze forward. Inhale, let's cross the feet. Come on down to seated. Extend the legs. Sitting for a moment in Dandasana position, pressing the hands down, lifting the center of the chest, calming the mind, deep breaths. Let's do one more. That's good. Bend the right knee and drop it out to the side. And this is Janushirasana A. Finding your external rotation right side. And then hands forward. You can hold onto the foot. Or we can wrap a strap around and then exhale. Fold and we'll stay. We have 5 breaths. 1, 2. Easy does it. 3, 4, almost there. Feel the back releasing. 5, inhale, we straighten the arms. Exhale there. Release, bring it back, switch the sides. Fold the left knee out to the side. Utilize that external rotation, chest to the right knee. Prepare. A big breath in, and then exhale. Fold, let the back release as you fold. 1, 2, 3, deep breathing. 4, 5, inhale it, straighten the arms. Exhale there. Inhale all the way up, Baddha Konasana. Now open the soles of the feet. Inhale, deep breath in. Exhale, let's start to fold forward. Good. 1. Deep breaths. 2, let the spine relax at the last couple breaths. 3, 4, almost there. 5, inhale, let's come all the way up, and exhale, return to a comfortable seated position. Let's keep the eyes closed just for a moment and feel vitality, health, the energy circulating through the body, tapping into that good feeling, the good vibration within. And then let's bring the hands together, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thanks so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.